Hello my friends, I have for you today a walkthrough video of this mini album that I made for Dress My Craft using the gorgeous Eternal Love collection. Let's get started. This is the cover. As you see, I made a lot of fussy cuts. I made the flowers with their dies and create the layers. This is the spine. It is 1.5 the spine, the top that you see like a box, the other and the back of the mini album. I used my sewing machine and you will see a lot of sewing in all the pages. I closed this with this lace bow to give this shabby chic look to the album. Once you open, it's folded in 2 parts and you will find this in the left side, and in the right you will get this. I'm going to start showing you this with the left side first. Here is these tags that I put the twine and I made with their dies. Look the beautiful pattern paper on the background, the sentiment, and the pockets is I made it with the acetate sheets. All the decoration I made it with the motif sheets as you see here. And in this part is like a cascade that I made with the different pattern papers of the collections. You will see that in the back of each of these cascade effect, you will find a frame that I made with the same pattern paper, and it is a pocket that you can place the photo from the left side to the right. The border that you see, the scallop border is from their dies too, and in the description box down below is the list of all these supplies. Here behind this doily you can attach any photo that you like. And here another photo. In the right side I have another pockets that I decorate with the doily border punch. You can place the journaling, and this part is like a box with a magnet. And you can see here that you can place any photo. I use as a mat one of the die with the stitches rectangle to create the mat, and look a lot of fussy cut from the motif sheets. You can see the details here at some sequence, and on the bottom part I made this cute mini album. Look how lovely it is. I used the doilies and some of the dies to decorate all these pieces. I just love these papers from this collection. Once you open the mini album, in the back you will see that I add another pocket with 3 more tags, and you can add a photo in each of these pages. The structure in this mini album, all the pages are the same, are like pockets, and I put a tag inside of each of these pages. And you see I play with the different pattern papers to give more interest. And other thing that I add is a eyelet to each of these tags to bring this metallic look. And one is closed. You see it is 4 inches by 4 3/4 inches, the measurements of this mini album, and the spine is 3/4 of an inch. And I close it. You look the beautiful pattern paper. I am folding now, and I'm going to make a bow here to close the album. And I just love the touch that the lace brings to this album, and you can see here how lovely it looks. It's so lovely. And I'm going to show you some photos now. If you like this album, please let me know with a thumbs up. Here you can see the pockets, and I am going to let you all the details of this album, the materials and the link down below and in my social media. So I hope that you enjoyed this and that it inspired you. I'm going to let you 2 more videos here that maybe you are interested, and you can find more tutorials in my YouTube channels. Well, my friend, I see you soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos. Bye bye.